Now back over my colonial spot, and haven't been here since last week, but I didn't even go in this section, and these guys have dug up another whole area, excavating this whole area. I was checking this pit out. Look at all this dirt they dug. Dug all the way down into this tree, and I just got a signal right there, and then locking on at 83. Yeah, it's a huge piece of lead. That's a huge piece. Alright. I've been hunting for about 2 hours and it's raining on me, and I put the my meter in the bag, but I just got a good signal, and I dug this button, and it was probably down about 4.5 inches deep, and there's a spike right next to it, and if I went really slow I could hear it, but if I went from a different angle I couldn't hear it at all, so I was kind of lucky on that one. It was probably a good 3 or 4 inches away from it, but that's a pretty big piece of iron. Alright, see if I can find something else on this hillside. Kind of working this other hillside from the opposite one I was. Alright, I'm walking up this old roadbed, and I just got a button right over there, and I started hearing iron over here. I just dug this flat button up. It's down about maybe 6 inches deep. There's just iron everywhere over here on this old roadbed, so I'm going to follow it on up and see if I can pick anything out of it. Alright, I just got a good signal here. I was reading 37, I believe. Let's see if I can get to... I was reading 41, I think. I just dug down 7 inches, and you can see this button has some gold on it. I'm not going to rub it or anything. I'm going to wait till I get home to see. Looks like a lot of gold. I'm hoping it's a navy or something. But there's a hole. It was down 6 or 7 inches deep. Alright, it just stopped raining, so I was able to put the meter back on the machine. Something really deep. Not even getting it in the squealer mode. Now let's see what it is. I just dug up a spike, but I want to show you what, well, listen to the ground. Let's see how noisy the ground is. It's unbelievable. Have to go really slow to get anything at all. There's a little house site right there, a big pile of stones, and a lot of flat buttons and pieces of shoe buckles and stuff right around there. Place that I had dug out years ago and then filled it back in, and actually right over here, and it's unbelievable. They've dug this place up like you wouldn't believe. All those rocks. Look at all the bricks. I dug right there. I dug a shoe buckle. Beautiful one. And all the bricks were right over here. Looks like they dug them all up and moved them. But they really dug this place up. Alright, I'm going to see if I can find something out of these piles. Alright, getting another good signal right here in the middle of this pile of junk. It's locking on at, well, it's not locking, it's going 82, 83. I'll see what it is. Just dug up this, I don't know what it is. Piece of junk. I'm going to show you this, this is old mining hole. It's about, must be 15, 20 feet deep. They were supposedly mining low-grade iron, and it wasn't very good, so then they started getting it from across the river in Maryland. Here's the old roadbed going up the hill here. There's another one right there. I was going to do a quick roundup. I only found 3 buttons today, but had a lot of fun. Learned how to use a dais, and it really worked well in that heavy iron, and that's one of the buttons I got. Every one of these was mixed in with iron. And this one's pretty cool. It's got a lot of gold gilding on it. Has a little bit on the back, but alright, if you like my video, please subscribe.